A colleague was actually taking me to see a trial, and he was describing to me the process of how we were developing mine disposal. I just remember being in the car and just driving and just thinking, I wonder what would happen if you electrocuted the mine with a couple of 100,000 volts. I'm guessing it'll probably explode. I think during World War II, there was something like 1 million mines dropped. They cleared something like 300,000 to 400,000, which means there's a lot still left there, and they still work. The method that we've used for the last 15 years is essentially been to use basically a vehicle that goes down there and has a shaped charge in its nose, and it finds the system and it just blows up in its face. It's the handling and storage costs of those explosives that make it prohibitively expensive in some cases. The point of the Polestar is it's recognizing that you don't need explosives to set off explosives, that you can do it with other means. So it's a concept which we patented a couple of years ago. Because there's no explosives actually in the Polestar, it can get through essentially regulations a lot faster. So it's cheaper and it can basically get to market quicker. Loads of little challenges. The method of it working is really simple, but it's just getting the whole thing to work together. Actually having an engineering workshop on site that you're able to work with, you can sort of go through design changes and you can check with each other.
So he's always asking how other people can help him, flagging ideas early, particularly from our perspective on intellectual property. It's all about highlighting the idea early, so working with us so we can protect it and get greatest impact from what he does.
I think in all I've submitted 20 IP reports. 9 or 10 of them are just on the Dart. And one of those was the 1000th IP report.
The importance of highlighting the IP is that we secure that freedom to operate, that freedom to use that technology going forward.
Just doing my normal thing of just submitting an IP report and just hitting go, and then it came up and said ID 1000. And I was like, oh, that's just a pretty number. What do I enjoy about inventing? It's creative. I've always just enjoyed creative things. I've always just been interested with, what happens when you do this or that. It's the new things.